Inlay prep is basically a type of indirect restoration. It is fabricated outside the mouth. Unlike the direct restorations like composite and the amalgam, which are done directly on the tooth. So it is done on the premolars and molars, and it involves the reduction of that part of the tooth area, tooth structure, which is present in between the cusps. It doesn't involve the reduction of cusps. What are the steps of the inlay? First, we prepare the tooth for inlay and then take the impression of our prep. For impressions, adhesion silicone is a choice of material. Then meanwhile, we pour the cast and give it to the lab. Then meanwhile, we give the temporary restoration to the patient. While cast is poured and then inlay is fabricated on it. Gold is a choice of material for inlay. Tooth colored porcelain has also been used for inlay. Then trial and cementation of inlay is done on the prepared tooth. For inlay prep, basically it involves, as I told, it involves the chewing area encompassing between the cusps. Most of the time, it is the class 2 cavity which is converted into the inlay. We make all the walls divergent, and then also any undercuts we have given for the direct restorations like vertical grooves or any kind of undercuts we have to remove. We have to eliminate them for our indirect restorations. Here is an example of class 2 cavity which is done on the third molar of an extracted tooth. Here you can see the proximal box and all the walls are convergent. They are made convergent for the retention of our direct restorations. But inlay cannot be seated into this. We have to remove the undercuts for inlay. Here are other examples for class 2. You can see that all the walls are made convergent, and even the vertical grooves are also given here. Here also all the walls are made convergent, as well as here. So this is basically the walls are made convergent for the retention of class 2 cavity materials like amalgam. Here the class 2 cavity is converted into the inlay. You can see the class 2 is having the convergent walls, while in inlay we have made it divergent for the proper seating of our inlay material. Similarly, the other walls are also made divergent. Here again, the class 2 cavity is being converted into inlay. You can appreciate the walls, the divergent walls in inlay. Here again, it is a kind of MOD inlay. It involves the reduction on the mesial surface, the occlusal surface, as well as on the distal surface. You can appreciate everywhere the walls are made divergent. Here again. So basically this is the concept of inlay prep. Thank you.